Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we will be learning about network topology. What is a network topology? A network topology is a schematic description of network arrangements connecting various nodes, that is sender and receiver, through lines of connection. So in this video we are going to see the different types of topologies, which are as follows: bus topology, star topology, tree topology, hybrid topology, mesh topology, and ring topology. So here is the diagram which shows different topologies. So now we are going to learn about bus topology. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. In bus topology, data is transmitted in one direction. Every device is connected to a single cable in bus topology. The advantages of bus topology are that it is cost effective, it is used in small networks, it is also easy to understand. Bus topology is easy to expand, joining two cables together. Disadvantages of bus topology is that the cable has a limited length, it is also slower than the ring topology. Also, one disadvantage is that the cable of bus topology fails when the whole network fails. It is called ring topology because it forms a ring, as each computer is connected to another computer with the last one connected to the first. The data in the ring topology flows in clockwise direction. Now we'll see what is mesh topology. In mesh topology, there are two types: fully connected mesh topology and partially connected mesh topology. So here in routing, the nodes have a routing logic as per the network requirements, and in flooding, the same data is transmitted to all the network nodes, hence no routing logic is required. So there are two types of mesh topology, that is partial mesh topology and full mesh topology. In the partial mesh topology, the systems are connected in the same fashion as the mesh topology, but some devices are only connected to two or three devices, and in full mesh topology, each and every node or device are connected to each other. So here is a diagram that shows full mesh and partial mesh topology. In star topology, all the computers are connected to a single cable. In this, hub is a central node and all the nodes are connected to the central node. Hybrid topology is two different types of topology, which is a mixture of two or more topology. For example, if in an office one department ring topology is used, then another star topology is used. Connecting these topology will result in hybrid topology. Here is the diagram of hybrid topology. The advantages of hybrid topology is that it is reliable, flexible, and scalable. The disadvantages of hybrid topology is that it is costly and the design is complex. In tree topology, it has a root node and all the other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called as hierarchical topology. So here is the diagram of tree topology. So here we conclude our video of network topology. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this video was useful.